Hi, today we're going to take the unboxing review look at robots. Transform in vehicle, transform your robot. Yes, these are bootleg, KO, not off, 4, 5th, 6th, third party, fake, illegal, transformers. They are not, official license, Hasbro, Takara Tomy. They're not the real transformers. But, they're fun, they work, they're great. I like them. So if you wonder where I picked this one up at, the dollar store. Go to your dollar store. Go to a couple dollar stores in your area. That's why I got it at the dollar store. So if you're wondering in the comments, dude, where did you buy it at? The dollar store. Okay. How the quality on these? The plastic feel? I'm gonna say they're probably somewhere around a Hasbro Transformer fitter. Quality plastic wise. Now, of course, they're not actually going to be as, plastic quality as an actual Hasbro Transformer, but, I think you kind of get what I'm saying. They are some pretty decent quality. Compared to, other dollar stores that are like $1 and above. Like, there's some dollar stores you go down the dollar store aisle, and dollar store and you're like, oh, hey, this one's $1. And then you look on the same shelf right next to it, it could be $3, $5, $7, $10, $12, and you're like, what? I thought everything here was $1, because it's the dollar store. There's those, and well, Five Below, well, it's Five Below. The name of the store kind of tells you everything in the store is going to be $5 or below $5, so, yeah, but I just put this up at, what $1 are. Here's $1, alright, here's the robot. So, yeah. Now these kind of come like Surtoys.com, and what I mean by how they come like how if you would order something like this from Surtoys.com is they don't come with any instructions. So it's kind of take it out of the package and figure it out yourself because there's no instructions because the box just shows robot, vehicle, robot,